Hello everyone, welcome to Admission Updates. Odisha NEET 2021 counseling registration has been started on 12th January, and let us look at the important dates first. This is the important dates. Registration window is open from 12th January to 18th January. Further, if any query is raised by any candidate during online verification, so it can be done on from 12th January to 19th January. Then reconciliation of data will be done on 20th January. Then provisional state merit list will be published on 24th January. Further, if any candidate is not satisfied and want to raise any query, then it can be done from 25th January to 26th January, and then final merit list, state merit list, will be published on 27th January. Now let us check some important guidelines which are necessary for the candidates who are going to register themselves for Odisha NEET 2021 counseling. So here are some important points given in the guidelines. So here it is given that only NEET qualified candidates, NEET UG qualified candidates are eligible for registration for admission to MBBS and BDS courses. Then here are some other points like the age should be more than 17 year of age as on 31st December 2021. Candidates must possess Odisha state domicile, or if they are children of All India Civil Service officers serving in the state Odisha cadet, they are eligible. They must have secured uh, they must have passed their class 12th from physics, chemistry, biology and English, and they are required to pass these subjects individually. Further, for the general candidates, the total marks or the total percentage in class 12 should be 50% marks. When these physics, chemistry and biology are taken together, there is relaxation for the reserve category candidates, like for the SC/ST candidates 40% marks is required in physics, chemistry and biology when the marks of these subjects are combined together, and 45% marks is required for the benchmark disability candidates, and then the required marks for physically challenged candidates of SC/ST categories 40% in physics, chemistry and biology together at class 12th level. Now let us see some other important details which is related to the registration process. Now candidates who want to register themselves should visit www.og.nic.in, and at this website you have to click on the MBBS and BDS link. Further, you have to register yourself by creating your username and password. Then after creating your username and password, you have to log in to the site and fill the online application form, make online payment of rupees 1000 and upload the required documents for online verification. Further, you are required to check your email ID regularly so that you do not miss any message related to the document verification or counseling. Okay, now let us check this website, how a candidate can register himself or herself. So this is the website og.nic.in. Here you have to click on MBBS BDS counseling 2021. When you will open this link, this page will open, and here is the link for registration of MBBS BDS, and click on this link, and then here you have to click on new candidate registration. Then read these instructions and click on I agree. Here you have to fill NEET application number, your name, date of birth, gender, then security pin given here, and then submit. So these are the details related to the NEET 2021 Odisha NEET 2021 counseling. If you have any doubt related to the counseling or registration, you can comment in the comment section. This was the video. Thanks for watching, and subscribe the channel for other updates.